Okay guys, I'm going to show you a wee video here of how to pot up some tomato seeds. These are ones I've taken out of normal tomatoes. They've been in my fridge for 2 years. They're still doing really well. So what we need to do first of all, we need to take like a wee carton, these wee Actimel things. Take the bottom and you want to just use a bradawl, put a couple of wee holes in the bottom, just to let the water drain out. And I've got some compost here. I just want to fill up the compost. Okay, like that. I want to fill it up. Okay, it's more or less to the top. Okay, then what we need to do then is we need to water it first of all. Okay, let's let the water soak in. Just get a wee tap, level it off. Then I'm going to take a pair of these tweezers. I'm going to take one of the seeds. I'm just going to pop that in there like that. And I'm just going to sprinkle over a very light amount of soil and just gently press it in. Give it a very light watering. Okay. And then that can sit inside a wee tub or a wee saucer or something. You can keep it moist. Keep it in the house. It needs to be in the house just now with the temperature there till it starts to shoot out. Okay, that's how you pot up a tomato. Okay guys, so as you can see here, but I've taken a tray with some soil in it. This is just regular compost, and I've just put it into 4 different sections. This is lettuce I'm growing here, some regular, some Mizuna, Lotto Red, Rosso, and some Rocket. Okay, so all I need to do here is just take each one, and I've segmented it off into 4 sections, and I just want to just sprinkle a wee bit on each one. Okay, these are going to be far too many lettuce for me to use, so I'll probably give most of them away, but it's difficult to grow them in small amounts, so if you grow them in reasonable sized amounts. Okay, there's a lot of Rosso. Okay, like that, and the Rocket. Okay, there we go. If you just look at that, you can see all that in there. All nicely segmented off, and the seeds in there. So I'm just going to cover it now with a very thin layer of soil. I can take those off now. Wee pat down, just make sure it's okay. And then I'm just going to water it now.